Today we're going to show you how to do an inside corner. So we have our end post or corner post. We've got our brace going this way. We've got our brace going this way. We've already put this wire up and tensioned it. It's tied off. A couple things that we want to do on an inside corner like this, because we're terminating in the corner and continuing down. We're going to take the wire around this existing wire that's tensioned. We want to make sure that we put the wire on top of its corresponding wire over here. That way that wire stays where it belongs. The other thing we want to do is make sure that we stay real tight right in here against the post. It'll make it look better, and it's actually easier in the long run to do. So Keith's going to be here on the other side, and I'm just going to feed these wires through initially. And again, we're going to be right against the post here, and we're right on top of that wire. And we just continue to work our way down. And we can pull that in tight. I'm going to push this underneath the twitch wire, because that's where we're going to want it to be when we come around. So we've got all of our wires put through here, the corresponding wires on top of each other. We're going to go ahead and stand up, make sure everything's good, put our T-gripples on. Then we're going to come back down and stick one of these wires in the middle right here and hold that in place. And I'll pull that through and get it fairly snug. And the nice thing about that is that'll keep everything in place while we put the rest of them on. So we put it on, Keith will feed the wire through. There's our two opposing hooks. So we put that on that wire like that. Our large hole's up, and then our wire just comes through that hole. So what we're going to do now that we have these in tight, we're going to go ahead and snug it up. Yeah, and to finish them off, we will clip them. And that's our inside corner.